Everybody knows this vehicle. Nice Range Rover, Land Rover Sport. And everybody also knows this car gets stolen a lot. Now this car is protected, has the IGLA Anti-Theft PIN code system, meaning that this vehicle will never be stolen again. If I have the keys for the car and I want to drive the vehicle, is it that simple? Let's see. I'll start the car. I can start the car and put the car in gear. Car just died on me. What am I supposed to do now? Okay, let me try to start it again. The vehicle is no longer starting. Now I have to enter my code to be able to drive. The code is combined from the original controls of the car. I made a simple code just for this video. Save a confirmation. Now I can simply start the vehicle, put the car in gear and drive away. The IGLA Anti-Theft System will protect your car. Find us at Car System Installation before your car is gone. See you next time.